Hey, this is shawnshawn here. We're about ready to do our March winners for the contest. So this contest was for 10 NFTs. So the first one is here. And let's see who the winner is. The first winner is Allison Page. Allison Page is the winner. Who do you think is going to be number two? This is our number two artwork here for NFT. The number two winner is let's get it going. Candy Lester. Candy Lester. And our number three artwork we're going to give away is here. Who do you think won it? This is our winner here. Elaine Burdett. Elaine Burdett. All right. You guys think you're going to win? We got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to go. Here's prize number 4. Let's look who's the winner. It is Janice Henson. Janice Henson. All right. Here is work number 5. Are you guys winning? Who's going to win this one? The winner is Linda Rogers. All right, Linda. We have our 6th prize winner. That's the prize it looks like right here. Did you guys win? Let's see who the winner is. Pam Nichols. Pam Nichols, prize 6. And this is prize number 7 here. Did you guys win? Here you have Shane Barrows. Prize number 7. We have prize 8 right here. Did you guys win? Let's see who won. It is Stephanie Sink. And our prize number 9 is right here. Prize number 9 goes to Suba Ball. Suba Ball. And our final prize right here, our last NFT to give away is Treva Thompson. Treva Thompson. So for all the winners, I'm going to need the NFT wallet address. You're going to have to mail that to me. And a photo of yourself smiling with just a head and shoulder shots, just like basically this shot right here. That's all I need. And then I'll send it out to you. Hopefully you guys have a chance, and then hopefully you guys can share it on social media. And for all the runners up, there's a coupon. Check out my email, and you get a coupon for 25% off any painting or print or paintings. Thanks for watching, guys.